Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another knife from Ryder. This is from the commemorative series, or how to call them. It's a nice boxed series of knives with a little bit extra, and you can probably still find them. They should be available on some sites, but these probably were not manufactured in a large quantity, so I don't know if you are looking at this video at the time point, then if it's still available or not. This one that I had the chance to buy, because only 2 boxes did appear on the website I did buy knives from, is from this is the last flag down and the conclusion of the Civil War on the deck of the CSS Shenandoah, November 6th, 1865. So this knife commemorates this beautiful ship. If you are interested to know more about the history about the ship, then I will link down below a video that is on the YouTube channel of the US Naval War College, and there's a really nice presentation that I did watch, and yeah, if you are in those things interested, then definitely go and check it out. So there is a few informations about the ship, and few informations about that. I will not bother you with all the texts. And here is an interesting part here, that each and every this box will come with a genuine battlefield recovered bullet. So if you are collecting memorabilia from the war, then this should be also an interesting item for you. So, but let's keep it to the knife and not to politics and the history. I'm not an expert on that, so I will not comment on these things. So definitely I am here to show you the knife. So this is a trapper with this 2 combo. You have a nice Warncliffe primary and this, I'd say, Skinner partial clip point, almost straight back blade, and that was the primary intention why I did bought this knife, because I wanted a trapper with this blade. Okay, so let me give you firstly the specifications. Okay, so the overall length, as you can see, this is a large knife, is 22.8 centimeters, which is 9 inches. The blade length is 10.2 centimeters or 4 inches, and both of them, they are same size. We have a Warncliffe and a straight back or clip, partial clip point recurve blade. A few things mixed together. Then the blade thickness is 2.7 millimeters or 0.1 inch, and the blade width is 1.6 centimeters or 0.6 inches. We have a jumbo trapper design. This is a large. I will show you a few size comparisons at the end of the video. Let's see the handle scales. The handle is 12.7 centimeters or 5 inches, and the thickness is 1.5 centimeters or 0.6 inches. Regarding the materials, so on this one, like on many previous ones, Ryder is using 440 stainless on the blade with a really nice polished and frosted finish, which is then also engraved with these words here. The construction of the handle, you have nickel silver bolsters and brass pins and liners, and also nickel silver shield. The inlays is smooth bone. Nice and polished. Both of them have half stops at 90 degrees. And you have a nailing opening on both of them. So the weight of the knife is 182.7 grams or 6.4 ounces. So a little heavy. These are made in China, of course. On the tank stamp we have just a Rough Ryder with the old Rough Ryder writing, and on the other one is nothing. These are slip joints, of course, so no locking mechanism right there. On this one we have also Rough Ryder, and here is the model number, so it is R1533 and 440 razor sharp steel. So let us check if it is razor sharp. No, I would say this one is not a razor sharp. Definitely I saw a sharper one, but let's test also the Warncliffe blade. Okay, so this one is really sharp. Yes, this one is really sharp, so 50-50. But I would suggest this is 440, so you need only a strap with a little bit of green compound, and it will be back to original sharpness. Okay, so let's see the fit and finish. So the transitions are nice and smooth. Also here there are no sharp corners, nicely rounded or crowned. Yeah, definitely excellent execution and quality control. So the blades are perfectly centered, and price wise you are looking at around $30 or $29.95. And now let's continue with this item here. So this is the bullet that was so taken from the battlefield, and inside here, let me show it to you. So I don't know if this is oxidation or some kind of layer is applied to it, but you can see maybe a knife was used to take it out, maybe from a piece of wood, or maybe something else. But yeah, so there are a few variants. You can get one. Let me show you once again. So here are they depicted. I probably got this one here, but yeah. Now let's put aside this package here, and let's open it up and give you a few size comparisons, just to demonstrate the size, of course. So let's take out a Trapper, also from Rough Ryder. Here is the Midnight Swirl Stockman. Here is the Lennyt clip from Rough Ryder. Here is the Peanut from Rough Ryder. my buck toothpick. Case tribal lock. The 1507 from Tucson. The TS187 from Tucson. Sorry, the previous one was from Brother. This is Brother. This is Tucson. Okay, now let's see some more modern designs or knives. So here's the Red Model 1 Spyderco Endura. You can see this is definitely a really large knife. Here is a Cold Steel Recon 1. Benchmade a large griptilian or griptilian. Here is also a small griptilian. Buck Vintage Pro. Giant Mouse Ace Grand. Two knives. Cebu. QSP Pelican. There's also two excellent Warncliffe blades. CVV Elementum. Where is the Kershaw? Here's the Kershaw Skyline. K-Bar Dozier. Buck Sprint Pro. Okay, so this was the Rough Rider Civil War Series Trapper knife. Last flag, number of the box. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. If you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also other stuff like my other hobbies like watches, Warhammer, and so on. So if you are looking for something more regarding, let's say, knives with micarta or traditional knives or Rough Rider knives, then please check out also my playlists. Okay, so I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.